to pay Apollo Group TV with Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay Apollo Group TV with your Cash App. So first of all, just simply open the Apollo Group TV official website. Just simply type apollogrouptvs.com and you will be landed to the official website of Apollo Groups TV. And after that, just simply open your Cash App account and just make sure that you have some balance in your Cash App account in order to make the purchase happen in the Apollo Group TV. And just come back to your Apollo Group TV account, and after that, when you will scroll down over here, you will be able to see a bunch of different package that you can select from. So they have starter pack, they have silver, platinum and golden. Just see the specification of each and every plan that you are seeing on your screen, and just choose the one that you like the most. For example, you like the platinum pack the most because of its feature and the quality that it's provide and everything. And if you decided on this one, just simply click on the subscribe from the tab. You will be landed to the page where you have to fill in your information and just finish your transaction in order to make the purchase happen. So first of all, just simply enter your details like your customer information, like your email address and your full name, your last name, your additional information. You can also make a note about the delivery or the product that you are buying from here, and just enter your phone number. And when you will scroll down over here, you will be able to see the option called Cash App payment, Bitcoin, secure and private transaction. So over here, the Apollo Group TV provides you the option to make the payment through your Cash App account. So once you have money in your Cash App account, just simply come here, and after that just click on pay now, and you can also check out the guide for the Cash App payment. So you can click on that. Just simply click on pay, and after that you will be landed to the page where you have to enter your Cash App details like your Cash App cash card number in order to make the purchase. And if you have any coupon code available with you, you can also enter that over here. So this is basically how you will be able to pay Apollo Group TV with Cash App. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.